In such tests, some of the participants are unknowingly given a placebo, which, it's said, no one would chance if he could ensure that he received the drug by paying for it. Right? But contrary to those who make this argument, individuals are not lab rats who may be blackmailed by the government into becoming test subjects. It is chilling that defenders of the FDA's current trial system are, in effect, advocating as an incentive to take part in such a trial, join or die. That's what they advocate. Now, what should be your incentive to take part in such a trial? I think the free market maybe ought to decide that. In other words, you. But they want the decision to be, if you want into this trial, your only other option is to die. It's join or die. Quote, continuing, moreover, such twisted ultimatums are not necessary in order to make effective drug research possible. Were individuals free to take untested medicines like ginkgo biloba, ginseng, or St. John's wort, new incentives to take part in clinical trials would surely arise. Moreover, such twisted ultimatums are not necessary in order to make effective drug research possible. Were individuals free to take untested medicines, new incentives to take part in clinical trials would surely arise, such as, for instance, an offer of free treatment to those who choose to take part, an inestimable value to people unable to afford the drugs, an inestimable value to people unable to afford the drugs. Anyone who values human life and the freedom of judgment required to maintain it should oppose this disgraceful ruling and demand an end to the unnecessary deaths caused by the FDA drug regulations. Unnecessary deaths caused by the FDA drug regulations. We wanted the FDA drug regulations to prevent unnecessary deaths, and they are causing unnecessary deaths. They are achieving the opposite of what we intended them for. That is the definition of failure. The Food and Drug Administration, no matter how you look at it, has no place in a free society. It is the hallmark of socialism and communism, and it is a compromise of your rights as a human being.